Hey, my name is Igor and welcome to my makerspace. A while ago I was at IKEA and I found those boards to organize your stuff and tools on the wall. It's a bit like a backboard but slightly different. I bought some and some accessories. I use them to store my pens, my camera lenses, my elastic bands and some other stuff. You can hang them to this board using those small hooks. But when I bought this board, I already had the idea to design my own hooks and attachments that fit my personal needs. So I drew out some hooks and some baskets that connect to the board in a similar way as the original ones. They are designed in a way that they're perfectly 3D printable, and I'll share the files on my Thingiverse page, linked below in the description. I designed the baskets in such a way that you have to print the hook separate for optimal strength. After printing, you just use some super glue to glue the parts together. So far I only designed some hooks and some baskets, but the possibilities are endless. I might make another video in the future about other accessories for this backboard. If you liked watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and keep on making. Bye.